Hello and welcome to video 2 for how to make your clock on SketchUp. So basically what I'm going to show you next is to put the little hole in the middle for the clock mechanism. So you already should have something that looks very similar to this. Well, it should look exactly like this actually. So I'm going to introduce you to something new now, and that is the tape measure tool. So we're going to click on tape measure up here, and then we're just going to find the center of our circle. So you can see if you just move it around freehand, if you just go to the side, it shows the center up for you. So you're just going to track that along and click, and then you end up with a dotted line like this. Then we're going to draw our center circle in the middle. So we're going to go over to shapes, we're going to go to circle, and again it should snap to the center. Good way of checking is just pulling it out to see if it looks even. Yep, definitely in the middle. Look from the top. Yep. And then we're going to do a radius of 5. So type in 5, press enter. Then we're going to pull. Obviously we want to hollow that out, so we're going to go to push pull. Click on there. Make sure the center circle goes all dotty. Click on that, pull it down. And a little tip for you: if you click on the back of your shape, it will hollow it out like that. You don't need to worry about kind of getting it perfect. And there we go. We've got our hole in our center for our mechanism. Right, next we're just going to click on the select tool, select that dotted line because we don't need it anymore, and press delete. Okay, so you're ready to kind of cut your shape out of your clock now. So some of your designs will be quite straight using the straight line tool over here. Some of you will require the arc tool or the curve tool. So just an example, I'm just going to show you. If we click on the arc tool, we want to probably use this one. It's the best one to use. Click on that. I'm just going to do a simple curve. Let's say it starts there and then it ends there. I don't know what your design looks like. And then you just decide on where you want your curve to be. So we're just going to click there. Then, as simple as that, we're going to click on push pull tool again. Select the bit you don't want. You're going to get rid of it, remember. Click on it, pull it down until it looks like that, basically. So it goes slightly translucent. And we click, and it's gone. Simple as that. If your design uses straight lines, then it's going to be slightly simpler. Let's say your design is like this. I'm just going to put a line in here to make sure that my point is perfect. And don't worry about that filling in, we can get rid of that in a minute. And then same again, push pull, get rid of that, get rid of that. I also don't need this line that I've put in as a construction line, so I get rid of that also. And then if I right click on that bit that's filled in and just click erase, it will just get rid of that little kind of roof it put on. And there we go. So basically it's up to you, and it depends on your design, but this is kind of up to you. It depends on what shapes you've got, but you're going to have to, as accurately as possible, try and chop away all your bits of material that you don't want to leave you with your clock looking just like your one that you've designed.